Ingrid and I live in 206. I'm one of your Pinnacle neighbors, and I'm here today to show you the Total Prepare Earthquake Kit that our fabulous Earthquake Committee has put together. They are negotiating with Capital Iron to get a bulk buy discount. If more than 25 of us agree to purchase them, we'll get an extra discount off the regular retail price. So I think it's a really good idea. And just going to give you a quick overview of what is included in your kit. So we have enough for 2 people for 72 hours, and that includes food and water. These are dehydrated fruit bars and other food, enough to sustain you for, as I mentioned, 72 hours. There's also some outdoor tube tent that provides for some shelter, and it also includes everything that you need to do to set it up with proper rope, and also including an emergency sleeping bag to help you get through some of the elements if it's some inclement weather, along with an emergency poncho for any rain associated coverage, and some hand warmers too if we're in that time of the year. As part of your kit, you also receive 2 glow sticks, which more so for emergency purpose, maybe not for the earthquake rave, but hopefully we'll be able to celebrate soon. And you also receive a handy pocket knife that gives you all sorts of added tools and features there, along with an emergency whistle that's waterproof and has a little extra space for some additional waterproof storage as well. Some hand gloves, some work gloves, and handy dandy duct tape style tape. And to pass some of the time, they've included a deck of cards, so hopefully that will be enough to keep people smiling through the emergency time. The kit also includes a battery-operated flashlight with 2 replacement batteries here, as well as a AM radio. This will definitely keep you posted if a lot of the satellites or television communication goes down. Most of you will remember how informative CFAX was during our blizzard of '96, and they virtually kept the city going. As well, we've got a water container here, so you can use the cleaning tablets to purify your water for extra use as well. And based on the hygiene, we've got some toilet paper and some additional face dust masks as well. And as part of the hygiene kit, you're also including the regular, we've got face cloths, toothbrushes, a hair comb, some hand wipes, and enough to keep you going for 3 days, as I mentioned. So this is enough for 2 people for 72 hours. And next we're going to show you some additional, I meant to include that the first aid kit is also part of this, and that gives you the basic bandages and amounts that you'll need in eventual case of emergency. So that's the overview of the kit, and next we'll show you what you can do to increase and enhance your Total Prepare Kit.